Yeah, this is good. Yeah. So due to the country people after some hard grass chopping, we wash off the heart, some jelly, you know? Yes, yeah man. Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so thank you for coming back. Now today it's gonna be an exciting day. I'll be sharing with you a tomato dish. Yeah, I bet you never know that tomatoes help, yeah, to prevent gallstones, kidney stones. I bet you never know that. Now today you know. And it does help with your vision and your skin condition. Yeah, now I'm gonna share this supreme tomato dish with you. Stick and stay. It's gotta be good. Yeah, an exciting this. Remember to like my videos right now. So give me a thumbs up, people, because you know what? You have to get your tomatoes, your tomatoes, your tomatoes, yeah. So get your tomatoes, your tomatoes. Yeah, so right now, remember to subscribe, yeah, and leave a comment, people, so I can know how you enjoy my videos, all right? And now for the fun. Get your tomatoes, your tomatoes. Your tomatoes, yeah. Get your tomatoes, your tomatoes, your tomatoes, yeah. Yes, people, so as you can see, go, mash, mash, yeah. So today, we'll be boiling tea, yeah. Yeah. Yes, so this is how we're going to put it all together, all right? Yes, so first we're going to go with our tomatoes, people. Yeah, really nice. And this is from my garden, yeah? So this is how we do it. And then we're going to add our sweet pepper, yes. That's what we're gonna add after that, people. Yeah, really nice. Yes. Nice. Now we'll be adding the parsley. Yes, so now we're gonna add the bell pepper, yes. And then we have another hot pepper right here. Yes, we're gonna add it. Now this will indeed spice it up, yes. Very hot, people. But this is not as hot. This is just like the sweet pepper, right? Yeah, so we're gonna put them all together. So now we're adding the onion. Yes, that's the next ingredient for this recipe, my people. And I know you will love this. Yes, you gotta try this recipe at home. So now we'll be adding a little cucumber to it. Yes, so you can feel free. You know, I'll just add this small piece. Yes, and you can add it with the seeds or without the seeds, yeah. You know, cucumber carries a lot of seeds. Yeah, so this is how we do it in the country, people. Yes, real country lifestyle. So the next ingredient is the saltfish. We would soak the saltfish from the night before, or you know, from the morning, and you know, allow the salt, yeah, to be soaked from it. All right, so this is how we add it. Yes, my people, so this is how we will add the saltfish. Yeah, we will pick it in small pieces and add it to the mixture. Yes, my people, and now we are finishing up the saltfish. Yeah, then we'll be adding the oil, people. Yeah. Yes, so now we will be adding the oil and we'll be using the tablespoon. So with this dish, it is not as, big. So we will be using only 2 tablespoons, my people. Depends on the dish, you can use only 1 because you know that we don't need a lot of oil. All right? Yes, so this is enough. And then we have also the juice that is coming from the tomatoes. All right, so it's now time for us to get it all done now. So let's stir it all together, my people. So this is how we do it. Lovely dish right here. Yeah, wonderful aroma coming up right here. And then you can allow it to sit for a while. Yes, my people. About 3 minutes. Yeah, for it to marinate a bit. But you will definitely love this. Yes, my people, so we are done and now it's time to eat. Yeah. So today we're going to eat it with the national crackers. Yes, my people. Yeah, so this is what you call the tomato and saltfish mega dish. Yes, people, tomato and saltfish mega dish. Yes. So, yeah, this was one of my go-to dish, when I wanted something to eat and I never wanted to cook. Yes, people. So this dish is very good for your children, especially right now. Summer is coming on and most of them are at home. This is a very good dish to get them to make with you as well. Yes. So first you teach them how to do it and then you can, have them make it for themselves. Yes, because it's very easy to do and very nutritious as well. Yes. So you can also add different things, to it that you like. You can add maybe, shredded cheese and maybe, some sprinkled, herbs on it. Yeah, that will be very good. So now I want to eat, but before I eat, my people, we have to give God thanks for the meal. Yeah? Yes, Father, we bless your name for this meal. Bless it as we eat in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah. Yes, my people. Yeah. Some real water crackers. Yeah, so this is how the water crackers is. Yes. And you lather it out. Are you seeing my dish, my plate? You have to see it, Yeah. You gotta see it. Yeah. And then get a little more on it. Wow. Wow, look at this. Yummy. Really good. Oh my. You have to try this dish, people. It's really good. I can smell the aroma, the herbs and all that. Really, really good. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put some of my crackers right here. I'm gonna tell you now how it is. People right now, thumbs up this video. Yeah, thumbs up. So if you would like to try this dish but you don't eat saltfish, yes, you could just try the Himalayan salt. Yes, so instead of the saltfish, you'll replace it with the salt. And until next time, stay tuned, stay connected, and you just take care and enjoy yourself. And remember to try this dish because your family, the entire family, will love you for it. All right?